Hi, it's Mr. Andrew Whitson, Mr. Ando. Seo Rita agus tEachtrán, scríofa ag marzet agus maisithe agamsa. Well, my reading challenge. I've set myself the challenge of reading at least 2 books a week, and I have 2 already lined up. The first one is Tales from Outer Suburbia by Sean Tan, which is a series of short stories which he has fully illustrated, as you can see. And each story has a different style of illustration. That's the first one. When I finish this one, I'm going to then move on to Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift and illustrated by Chris Riddell, one of my favourite illustrators. And Chris Riddell does these absolutely amazing illustrations of pen and ink. When I finish these 2, then I'm going to move on to 2 more for the following week, and hopefully by the end of the month I should have 8 books completed. Slán!